I want to show you a shot here that comes up every once in a while. You get straight, and I want to get my cue ball out here so I have a shot at the 9. And this is something that a lot of old-time players knew. Haven't seen too many folks today do it. What you want to do is hit down, and you don't need to overpower this. And it's sort of a Masse shot that the spin comes off the rail and brings you into the center of the table to pocket the 9. If you like these videos, make sure you hit like. Please subscribe to our channel. And if you get a chance, go to our webpage, cuemasterpoolschool.com.